Welcome, good people. Let's talk about your most valuable asset: time. In our fast-paced world, we waste hours every week on repetitive tasks, emails, formatting, brainstorming. But with today's AI tools, you can reclaim those hours and focus on what matters. AI isn't about replacing creativity, it's about eliminating the grunt work so you can do more of what you love. I've tested dozens of platforms to find the 5 that actually save you real time. These tools can realistically give you back at least 10 hours a week. Ready to work smarter, not harder? Let's dive into 5 game-changing AI tools that put your time back in your hands. First up, ChatGPT. In the ever-evolving landscape of content creation, having a reliable co-pilot can make all the difference. And when it comes to AI-powered assistance, ChatGPT stands out as a versatile and indispensable tool. It's not just another AI, it's the ultimate writing co-pilot, ready to assist you with a wide range of tasks, from brainstorming ideas to crafting compelling content. Think of it as your on-demand writing partner, available 24/7 to help you overcome writer's block and produce high-quality work. It's more than a chatbot, it's a dynamic platform that adapts to your specific needs. Whether you're a seasoned writer or just starting out, ChatGPT can provide valuable support and guidance throughout the writing process. It's your brainstorming partner, helping you generate fresh ideas and explore different angles. It's a draft generator, capable of producing initial versions of articles, blog posts, and even creative writing pieces. And it's a research assistant, sifting through vast amounts of information to provide you with relevant insights and data. It can summarize complex research papers, identify key trends, and answer your burning questions, saving you countless hours of tedious work. Stuck on a blog post? Facing that dreaded blank page? Give it a prompt, a simple instruction outlining the topic and desired tone. And you'll get a structured outline in seconds. A clear roadmap for your content, complete with headings, subheadings, and key points. This can be a massive time saver, allowing you to focus on fleshing out the content and adding your unique voice. Need to write repetitive emails? Sending out similar messages day after day? Create templates and generate polished drafts instantly. No more retyping the same information over and over again. Simply input the relevant details, and ChatGPT will generate a customized email that's ready to send. For research, especially when dealing with dense academic papers, ask ChatGPT to summarize complex topics, distilling lengthy articles and reports into concise, easy-to-understand summaries. This can be a game-changer for students, researchers, and anyone who needs to quickly grasp the key takeaways from a large volume of text. Or explain concepts in plain English, breaking down jargon and technical terms into accessible language that anyone can understand. This is particularly useful for communicating complex ideas to a wider audience. The secret is clear, specific prompts. The more detailed your instructions, the better the results. Treat it like an intern who needs direction. Provide clear guidelines, specific examples, and a well-defined scope. The more information you give it, the more effectively it can assist you. Always fact-check, verify the information provided by ChatGPT, especially when dealing with critical or sensitive topics. While it's a powerful tool, it's not infallible, and it's essential to ensure accuracy. But let it handle the heavy lifting, the time-consuming tasks that bog you down and prevent you from focusing on your core competencies, so you can focus on refining and adding your unique touch, injecting your personality, expertise, and creativity into the content, transforming it from a generic draft into a compelling and engaging piece. For me, it saves 2 to 3 hours a week, freeing up valuable time that I can dedicate to other important tasks, on drafts, emails, and research, streamlining my workflow and boosting my overall productivity. It's not about replacing you, it's about empowering you to do more, to achieve more, and to create better content. It's about accelerating your workflow, allowing you to produce high-quality content in a fraction of the time. Start with the free version, explore its capabilities, and see how it can benefit your writing process. And upgrade if you need more power, unlocking additional features and capabilities that can further enhance your productivity. If you write anything, ChatGPT is a must-have. It's an indispensable tool for anyone who creates content, whether it's blog posts, articles, emails, or even social media updates. It's the foundation of a modern productivity stack, a cornerstone of any writer's toolkit. Embrace the power of AI and unlock your full potential with ChatGPT. Next up, we have Notion AI, a game-changing addition to an already powerful platform. It's not just an upgrade, it's a transformation of how you interact with your workspace. We're talking about intelligent assistance that anticipates your needs and streamlines your processes. Imagine your all-in-one digital workspace, the central hub for everything you do, now supercharged with artificial intelligence. It's like giving your workspace a brain, capable of understanding, analyzing, and assisting you in ways you never thought possible. This isn't just about automation, it's about augmentation, enhancing your capabilities and freeing you from tedious tasks. We've all been there, staring at a messy Notion page filled with rambling meeting notes, struggling to extract the key takeaways. It's a common pain point, the feeling of drowning in information without a clear path forward. But with AI built right in, those chaotic notes are transformed into clean, concise summaries and actionable lists in mere seconds. No more sifting through endless text. Notion AI distills the essence, providing you with the information you need, when you need it. It's like having a personal assistant dedicated to note-taking and organization. Manage projects? Of course, Notion AI doesn't just help you manage projects, it empowers you to excel. It helps you draft compelling project briefs that capture the essence of your vision, brainstorm innovative phases to tackle complex challenges, and proactively organize and mitigate potential risks, all seamlessly integrated within your existing workflow. It's about anticipating challenges and providing solutions before they even arise, ensuring your projects stay on track and within budget. Need to boost your social media presence? Instantly generate engaging social posts or craft compelling email blurbs directly from your content calendar. No more struggling with writer's block. Notion AI provides the spark, helping you create content that resonates with your audience and drives results. And for those times when your writing needs a little extra polish, the Help Me Write feature is your secret weapon. It refines your prose, meticulously fixes grammar errors, and even seamlessly translates your text into multiple languages, all without ever leaving the comfort and familiarity of Notion. It's a comprehensive suite of writing tools, all at your fingertips. Planning a trip, whether for business or pleasure, simply highlight your scattered notes, those random thoughts and ideas, and let Notion AI weave its magic to build a comprehensive and organized itinerary. It's like having a personal travel agent, curating the perfect trip based on your preferences and needs. The real magic lies in the fact that everything happens right where your work already lives, within your Notion workspace. Say goodbye to the endless cycle of switching between multiple apps and constantly losing context. Personally, I've found that it saves me up to 2 hours a week, which is time I can now dedicate to more strategic and creative endeavors. Those 2 hours were previously spent on tedious tasks like organization and project setup, tasks that are now handled effortlessly by Notion AI. In essence, Notion AI transforms your digital HQ into a smarter, more efficient, and more intuitive workspace. It streamlines your workflow, making every process smoother and more productive. It's not just organization, it's organization upgraded to a whole new level of efficiency and effectiveness. So, if you're already a Notion user, integrating Notion AI is a complete no-brainer. It's the obvious choice for anyone looking to unlock the full potential of their workspace and achieve peak productivity. Third is Grammarly, way more than a spell checker. It's your real-time editor catching grammar, tone clarity, and consistency across all your writing platforms. Set your audience and tone, and Grammarly suggests concise, impactful edits. Its tone detector ensures your message lands as intended, saving you from miscommunications. Consistency checks catch tedious errors like names or formatting so you don't have to. For non-native speakers, it's a learning tool as much as an editor. The result? Faster, more confident writing with less time spent proofreading. For regular writers, it easily saves an hour or more each week. Focus on your ideas. Let Grammarly handle the polish. It's a simple tool with a huge impact on your workflow. Let's dive into the world of visuals, where your ideas take shape and come to life. In this digital age, the tools we use can either speed up or slow down the creative process. We're going to explore how you can design at the speed of thought, turning your visions into reality with incredible efficiency. Enter Canva AI. Canva's Magic Studio is a game changer, empowering you to create stunning, professional-quality designs with ease. It's like having a design assistant that anticipates your needs and helps you bring your creative concepts to fruition. The best part? You can achieve all of this in minutes, not hours. Simply type a prompt describing the design you envision. And with the power of Magic Design, Canva instantly generates a range of custom templates tailored to your specific needs. Say goodbye to blank canvas paralysis. No more staring at a screen wondering where to start. Need to clean up a photo? Instantly edit photos with Magic Eraser. Remove unwanted elements and distractions with just a few clicks. Want to change the look and feel of an image? Use Magic Edit to swap elements, change colors, and transform your visuals. You don't need to be a Photoshop expert to achieve professional results. No Photoshop skills needed. Ensure brand consistency across all your designs. Set up your brand kit with your logos, colors, and fonts. With your brand kit in place, every design stays on brand automatically, maintaining a cohesive and professional look. Need to adapt your content for different platforms? Repurpose content with Magic Switch. Resize and reformat your designs for any platform in one click, ensuring your content looks its best everywhere. Stuck on what to write? Magic Write helps you brainstorm compelling headlines and engaging captions, generate text variations, refine your message, and perfect your copy right inside your design. The result? You can create a week's worth of engaging content in under an hour, freeing up your time for other important tasks. For content creators and marketers, time is of the essence. Canva AI saves 2 to 3 hours weekly, giving you more time to focus on strategy and creativity. It removes technical barriers, making design accessible to everyone, regardless of their skill level. With Canva AI handling the technical aspects, you can focus on creativity, exploring new ideas, and bringing your unique vision to life. Design just got a whole lot faster, more efficient, and more accessible than ever before. Finally, Zapier, the automation powerhouse. Zapier connects your favorite apps and automates repetitive tasks with simple, when this, do that workflows. Save email attachments, organize client info, or manage leads. Automatically, no coding required. Describe your workflow in plain English, and Zapier's AI builds it for you. Embed AI steps, analyze email sentiment, auto-respond, or summarize blog posts for social sharing. Every Zap you create is a task you never have to do again. Start small, save 5 minutes here and there. Build more automations and you'll reclaim hours each week. For power users, Zapier can save 3 to 4 hours weekly, sometimes more. It's the silent engine behind efficient digital operations. Automate the boring stuff and focus on what matters. Zapier is your ultimate time saver. That's it. 5 AI tools designed to help you reclaim your week and boost your productivity. Use ChatGPT for all your content needs. Notion AI is great for organization. Grammarly will help enhance your writing. Canva AI is perfect for design. And finally, Zapier is excellent for automation. Combine all of them, and you'll save over 10 hours a week, essentially an extra workday. Use that newly found time to learn, create amazing things, or just unplug and relax. These tools will undoubtedly make your work more impactful and far more efficient. Check the description below for all the relevant links, and please let me know in the comments which tool you're most excited to try out. Thanks so much for watching. See you all in the next one.